Hey guys,
Hey.
we were driving for dollars today. We just want to hop on here right quick, and we find a little gold mine of a park that we've never saw before. We've heard other people talking about it that we've bought homes from, but this is our first time actually driving through the park. And we just want to show you guys what we're looking for when we're driving through these parks. These are things that you should look for to see if that's a park that would work with you or something that's has potential. So we just want to share that with you guys. I don't know if you have something you want to add.
Actually, well, what I want to add is this park. We would rate it. We usually rate the parks. Like if it's an A, B, C,
Right.
a D or F.
Right.
In this park, we would rate it as a B. As you're gonna see, they have older homes and newer homes mixed together.
Right.
But it is so neat, and that's why we're rating it as a B. Normally, we don't do that when they have older mobile homes mixed with new. But as you're gonna see, it is so clean and neat that it looks as good as a B mobile home park.
Exactly.
So that's what we're gonna show you guys.
And we would rate it too as a B because of the area that it's located
yes,
in.
it's in a very good area.
Right. It's not like a crime area in the city limits. It's on the outskirts. So
a lot of mobile homes around here. They have double wide mobile homes as well. So it's real nice around here, and a lot of land, and you could see people and you could see homes.
Exactly. So we're gonna ride through this park and show you guys what we're looking for. All right, guys, as you see these homes, this is an older one right here, another older one. So you have like 3 older ones back to back. So what's important about this, guys, is that 9 times out of 10 when you see these older ones, that means that this owner or the manager, they're flexible as far as dealing with investors. Because 9 times out of 10, I'm more than sure that they allow rentals in this park. Because of the older homes. You see here, this is a newer one. Look like it's been here for a while with the skirting at the bottom and stuff, so it's pretty neat. But you see, guys, this park is neat. It has nice gravel roads. Some parks we drive through, I mean, you'll need new shocks and struts by the time you drive out of that park. There's big potholes and stuff like that. Here you see a newer home.
I want to add something. You guys notice how they're skirting. We just passed by one that didn't have skirting, but it was a newer home, and they had the skirting on the ground as though they were coming to put up the skirting.
Right.
But we just want you to see how all of these homes, they have skirting. So what that says is that the mobile home park owner, he requires, or she, whoever, they require skirting on the homes, which also, you know, it brings out, brings up the value of the park.
Right. You want to talk about this empty lot right here?
Yes, when you see an empty lot right here, this right here is telling you that there's room for more.
Right.
So, in matter of fact, we see another one right across.
Right across.
And it looks like one was just moved. They still have stuff on the ground.
Right.
Or, you know, not too long ago, they had one there. So that's telling you that there's opportunity.
Exactly.
To have another, well, actually to have more than one moved here. So that's a good sign when you see that there's available space.
Right. And that's how you would approach the manager, telling them I could bring value to the park by bringing in you nicer homes, bringing you lot rent. That's how you would approach these park managers, guys, especially when you see the empty lots like this.
This is very clean. You don't see trash hanging all over on the ground. And that's a plus too for, you know, a good mobile home park that you want to work with.
Right.
It's clean.
And a lot of times, guys, when we're riding through these parks, we're looking for homes that have, they're probably empty. The park might own them, or somebody just moved out. A landlord may be tired of renting and they may want to sell the home. So that's what you're looking for. If they have long grass around the home, broken windows, or you just see it's open, the windows are open and no one is living there, that's a potential home. That's a potential deal that you probably could pick up for little or nothing, because we've come across that before. So that's things you want to look for when you're driving for dollars. Just telltale signs that the home is empty. And again, guys, if you have those business cards or flyers, you can get down and put those cards or the flyers in the window or in the door, finding out who owns it and giving them a way to contact you.
So we still riding around, and this is the other space that we seen. Again, we seen skirting.
Right.
You don't even really see people outside.
Exactly.
So this seems like actually you can tell it's a good community. Because you don't see a whole lot of kids running around. Actually, school haven't started yet because it's still summertime. So this is telling us that this is a decent park.
Right.
And this is a park definitely that you would want to work with.
Yes, a good blend of newer and older homes. That's the signs that you're looking for, guys. It's the perfect blend.
Right. You don't want too new.
Right.
Because if it's too new, the mobile home park, they may not be too right and too open to working with you.
Right. So yeah, so this is the park, guys. We're definitely going to get the number of this park and contact them and let you guys know how it goes. So that's it, guys. Talk to you later.